Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is Sheets apple crumble. The ingredients are 1 tin of apple slices, biscuits, sugar and custard. Start by heating the apples along with a little bit of sugar to taste. Take your biscuits. Today I've got malted milk and ginger nuts. You can use any biscuits as long as they don't have a cream filling. So you can have things like digestive biscuits, rich tea, Nice biscuits, just whatever you've got in your cupboard. Put them in the bag. Get a rolling pin or a heavy object and bash them. This recipe came about because we got a load of tinned apples in and we didn't know what to do with them, and I wanted to make a fruit crumble, but I didn't know how to make it without turning the oven on. And then I thought, I know, if you get biscuits and you bash them, it makes a crumble. This is how we made Walton Vale Community Shop Sheets crumble. Once the apples are warm, place in a bowl, add the crumble topping and some custard if you have some. Enjoy.